She doesn't understand love yet, but she is interested.
I think the best part was Lom's reactions. We can talk about her expressions for hours together.
When Glue kissed her hand, we
Yes,
were
that's what I
enjoying
said.
like we got a kiss from
Yes.
a crush.
People who have anxiety will understand that they have a mannerism. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Bubble Wrap.
Today, let's talk about episode 7 of the 8th series. Are we ready?
Yes, we are. How did you find the episode, Gube, overall?
It felt like a lot of things happened and everything went fast. So one feeling didn't sit in for a long time.
Yeah.
But Befriend Becky parts were good. It was a little bit exciting there. But by the time I enjoyed that excitement, it went serious. So yeah. What did you feel?
It's a good pre-finale episode. There was like the Frin Becky scenes, that emotional payoff we have got. And merely they went into setting up the ending. Mix of everything. There's loyalty, there's finally revealing the motivation, the romance colliding with duties and responsibilities.
Yeah.
So all of it in one episode.
Yes. See, because they didn't give enough time for that love to, it is in being forever phase. They're interested in each other. So that time you should give some time there.
I would say at least one full episode to show the depth of a relationship.
Yes. Now Loma is like still half scared to do anything. She has to think a lot and make a move.
Yeah.
So that's why it's mixed so much with the duties.
There are so many other things that's going around also. They can't be completely ignorant of let all that happen. Let's focus on us and let's see if this can work out. They can't do that. Some people are out there to shoot you. So the timing is very bad.
Yeah. Still low managed a lot, huh? I appreciate her for everything she managed.
I think experience speaks a lot.
We have to learn a lot to go away from Loam. The way she adds things naturally.
She is the best. She is the best.
Yeah.
Becky starting off with a smile. So I'm finding that very pleasant. Okay, in every episode, that is nice. But then there's going back to the backstory, coming back, going back, coming back. That is actually interrupting the flow. She's asking, sorry for what? So again, go back and then know something and then come back. So that's kind of giving lesser impact. But that scene was nice. Again, air is going on showing us good locations. The spot that they're sitting in, she offering a coffee. That spot is nice to sit and talk. What they speak. We expected the shift from Princess role. She comes back and talks. I think the best part was Lom's reactions and her choice of words. I mean, we can talk about her expressions for hours together. It will not be sufficient. And Princess is holding her hand or giving a hand kiss. The expression that she gives is mind blowing because everybody can connect to you feeling something, how your face would show that. Okay, but bringing that in an acting, I think it's a hard, and Free does a fantastic job in that.
Yes.
Yeah.
The princess's side, I was expecting she'll go totally opposite. No, I actually love you, but it's good that it's the same. What she said is right. She doesn't understand love yet, but she is interested. She just clarified it, so I like that. But when Loam made a move of kissing her, I was like, oh, that's a daring thing to do.
Think the princess also led to it because she herself walked up and she says, "Give me some time to be on the same page." So it was a very clear indication, and it gave Lom a little space to be open with her, right?
That scene was good. It's a mix of things. So yeah, both of them are not very clear what is going on. They're just going with the flow. I like that.
Very casual talk. They're talking about themselves, what they felt, what happened with them. And they're also talking about this major thing that's happening in their life. Everything is touched upon. And in a very organic fashion, Flynn and Becky, their efforts they put in every single scene they are part of. They are doing 100% justice to these characters. That's why we feel so connected when they are on screen. The impact is so good.
Yeah. I love the chemistry. When Blue kissed her hand, her expression was so good.
Yes.
We
Yes,
were
that's what I
enjoying
said.
like we got a kiss from
Yes.
a crush or something like that.
Yes.
She's laughing and saying, you kissed me." And the way she puts the necklace and holds her, it is so sweet.
We've all been waiting for this because so far it's always been either one sided or, Princess not being in her senses. But both of them willing to be together and being together is what Freen Becky fans like us have been waiting. And finally getting to see, even if it's few glances, it's always a good feeling to see both of them together smiling.
And it was cute to see them planning a future, when you come to Madeline. You can see the snow.
Princess's sense of humor, she's just asking, you don't have airplanes in Thailand? Long like, huh? From then on, it's running. Ayyo, ba. Stop running.
When Blue asked, should we run again? We could feel it. Like, please don't run anymore.
Yeah.
That night, their conversation in the bed, it was so good. Bhuvan? First, previous time, Lom didn't tell her that danger is coming and anything might happen. But this
Yes.
time, she told her. And the way she consoles her, you don't have to worry. She comforts her after telling
Yes.
the reality.
That's a very beautiful scene, that few seconds. Because people who have anxiety will understand that they have a mannerism of biting nails, tapping your legs, or, doing something. And there will be very few people who understand that man try to help you in a comforting way. So here Lom tries to, just help her, relieve her forehead, showing that worry.
Yeah. And the way she said, I want to hear your heartbeat.
She's so worried that anything could happen, including losing her own life. Right? When she's in that worry, all she's asking is that maybe I'll never get a chance to be with you again. So I just want to be there.
A very well written scene it was.
All those scenes between Freen and Becky, I think, are either well written or so well performed that it reaches us so beautifully.
Yes.
Becky's acting as Helena, you
Oh,
can
yeah.
see that trembling, beautifully acted by Becky. For Becky's age and experience, showing these two characters in the same storyline, it's a great thing, right?
We don't feel like it's the same person.
Finally, Grace's backstory. Oh
Yeah.
God. The heavy emotional story all at once in 5 minutes. I think
Yes.
it's
Yes.
justifiable. I just wish it could have come earlier in the series so that we would have also empathized with Grace's story and her. I think her backstory proves why she carries such vengeance, right?
Yeah.
I like Henry's character. He's showed that he can sacrifice his life, despite being shot by the person he is in love with.
When Lom gets shot, when they get caught by Henry, that scene also was so good. But I didn't understand why didn't she have two bullet vests?
The gunshot that they are showing that is in the hand. Vest is just protecting your trunk. So
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
No, that small drama they added there. Long, she's already wearing it.
That's what they wanted to convey is that I put you in front of me, right?
But the way she was shooting, they have shot it so well. Her aim is so good. In one shot, she's hitting everyone. Henry is looking good. No, he is handsome.
Very good looking, perfect model he is.
Pireen and Fai helping her. Where she got shot in Surat, Peenam is nearby, so she came first. Now Pireen is nearby, so she is there. Small detail I like.
So this one, our princess, when she is taken into their control, and then she talking to Henry, Grace, and Helena characters. Those were very good. You can see princess's courage there. Okay, she shows fear when guns are being shot, but then when she is already captured by the assassins, and has the threat of being killed, she tries to make a logical conversation. Okay. And she's very genuine about it. That shows the princess is very courageous, right? She's doing
Yes.
the right thing, even at
Mm.
the time of a crisis. With
Yeah,
Grace also, she's trying to find why. Why did you betray? She's not acting like someone who is a victim. She's trying to understand
Yeah.
what's going on. Grace's backstory also, in such a short time to show so much, I think they did a pretty decent job.
She knows both of them from before, so that comfort was seen. She's not just meeting a goon who has been following them.
Right.
She's meeting the person she knows well, and it was an honest conversation. So that was nice to see.
Yes. The only new person that Princess has not met is Helena, right? That's where they gave a long pause. She's just watching, right? Like, you just look like me, and they have cut it. And from the way you're telling how Four Elements is being shot, there is going to be a back scene where
Yeah.
there will be a conversation between the princess and Helena, and there is going to be a swap. I'm sure the
Yes.
one that has got shot is Helena and not the princess, and the whole world knows that.
I thought everyone knows she will not die. So in the teaser, they'll give it away. Don't be worried. She's alive. Freen, when she saw Blue dead, was, my God, her expressions were so good. Nabuga?
Yeah, it was on point. But Lom being that smart cop and also a smart person, when they pull out the eye mask, she does see Helena's eyes. So it clearly reveals that this is Helena and not the princess, because that's the that's the catch, right? Lom admires Blue's eyes, and she says that that's what differentiates her from Helena. So she should have caught that when they pulled out the eye mask. So I felt that they could have done better. They should have just let her run with the mask, then being shot.
It was very sad to look at.
We can only feel pity for that character. Suddenly being
Yes.
shot like this and being dead, it was very sad.
But finally, all the problems are over. In the teaser, it seems like Loma's accepted that Blue is gone and she's dealing with the grief. So that's where I kept thinking, if Princess is alive, how come she didn't know for so many days that she's still alive? What is happening? It made me a bit curious.
Teaser was aimed or mislead viewers to imagine that this is what is happening. I feel like this isn't the direction it would go.
Good, they've given good moments for Henry Grace also. That they are the big villain. They're not just any villain doing
Yeah,
mistakes.
Grace, for all the wait they made to get Grace's backstory, I think they have been able to justify that in just a few
Yes.
minutes.
And Grace's acting was also amazing. Madhava.
Amazing. That one laugh. It was scary for a
Yes.
moment. She's able to keep that stiffness in her body language.
The tears that fall down when she's telling the story.
So genuine that it even reached Princess. Princess was also at the moment feeling very bad for Grace.
We are going to miss this. What next? Where are you go running next? When will you be together? We'll miss all this.
Exactly.
I don't want their story to end. I want to watch
Yes.
Madeline series. I hope finale is a long episode. We'll get a lot of their chemistry to watch.
Yes. If you have stayed with us till here, Kopinka.
Stay tuned for more GL talks with us and for the finale next week.
Bye bye.
Bye.